Hello, I am Kamruddin. I am a motivational author. I have written 8 motivational books, some fictions and some non-fictions. I have posted videos about table tennis, motivational topics and शेर शायरी. Worrying is detrimental to physical and mental health. Therefore, we should have ways to deal with worries. Worrying instinct is located in our primitive mind. When we were faced with imminent danger, we had to resort to flight or fight response, and immediate action was required to be taken. But nowadays, we are not living in the primitive world. The situations are quite different. There is no need to take such type of fight or flight response. We have therefore to take everything cool-headedly and relaxed in a relaxed manner so that we can solve our problem. Situations are now very much different. Nowadays problems relate to office decisions, presentations, meetings and taking decision about our business. Here we don't require such fight and flight response. We should therefore deal with these problems in cool-headed manner. Are situational. Some are about the past and some worries are about the future. If worry relates to past, go back and find out how the worry had arisen. Was it as bad as you had earlier imagined? How had it arrived? And what type of actions you had taken to solve that type of problems? If the problem is relating to present, find out what is the problem, how it started, what is the cause of problem, and what are the solutions, or what is the best solution. Get facts on the paper, analyze, accept the worst, and then calmly proceed to solve the problem. Think of solutions only, because worries never solve the problem. Do something about it now. If you have facts and data necessary for taking decision, take decision now and immediately proceed to take action. The best solution you have decided, but action should be there. Don't seek approval of others. If you think you are taking proper decision, you should stick to it. There may be solution or there may not be solution. If there is solution, try to find and start implementing that solution. And if there is no solution, then accept the problem as it is and put it on the back burner to take it up later on when the sufficient data and solution is available. Maybe the problem was not as bad in the past and you might have solved that problem. Keep that solution in mind and you can apply that solution of past in the present moment. Thanks for watching this and my other videos. Please press thumbs up and bell button so that you do not miss my subsequent videos. If you want to ask something, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be glad to respond.